This is how to make a coffee. First step, put the thing in the coffee maker. Second step, get artificial sweetener. Put in Black Mesa coffee cup. Get in there. Get in there. Get it. The key is to put a lot in because coffee tastes like shit. Then press the big button because you like a lot of coffee. Then you wait. Wait for it. Coffee! Coffee! It comes from the coffee maker. Coffee! Do not mind that the liquid is somewhat clear. That is good for the flavor when it is your second cup. Now then, you're finished step 3. However, step 4, put in the milk. Put it in until it doesn't look like coffee anymore. It looks like a milky poo. And then you put the cup and you grab a knife. It is key. You use the knife for this. You stir. Be careful not to splash. You may wonder why you use a knife. Well, the decreased surface area makes it for less splashing. Something my father taught me. Step 9, drink the coffee. It's good. Oh, it tastes like